Hey cousins, hey, what's going on with ya? I've got another express crochet style for you that I think you're gonna like. Y'all, this is the quickest way to install a head full of crochet braids. When I say it's fast, it is fast on top of fast, like ignorant on top of ignorant, okay? Now, let me just tell you, I'm putting a couple of extra boxes in there because if I want to pull it up into a ponytail, it's going to look more like a ponytail, okay? So this is a modification that you do not have to do. As far as the invisible boxes that you see in the front, you don't have to do that either. You can just have one row in the front of the invisible boxes, and then the rest can be the hack if that's what you want to do, okay? Now, y'all know I have very detailed videos of this particular hack that y'all, it just blew my mind when I saw it. The good cousin Mara, she came up with this, and you guys, I have been doing my crochet braid installs with her method ever since, y'all, because it's so easy. And I literally, oh my goodness, you will not believe how easy it is until you just jump out there and do it. The most important things that I can tell you about this particular method is to make sure that your plaits off up in the back are on the outside, like closest to your ears, not on the inside, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense, you guys, because you're kind of like roping two sides together to create like one long rope of crochet pieces, and you want it to span across your head. You don't want it to be just right there in the middle of your head, because the outsides of those parts are going to be a bunch of hair. Now, if you happen to do that, that's an easy fix. You just crochet pieces where you see the hair, okay? That's it. That's all. So don't fret if you do make that mistake and you put your plaits too far on the inside. Just fill in, crochet on top of the hair, okay? Now, let's get into these crochet braids. Now, listen, let me tell you something. These crochet braids are very soft. These are passion twists. The loops are super flexible, big. This is perfect for this particular method because you don't want the loops to be really small or, you know, not flexible. Those are the worst type of loops for this particular method. So these loops right here, smacking, absolutely perfect, okay? Somebody asked me, could you start from the top? Usually I start from the bottom plaits. Yes, you can start from the top. Everything that you see, you just do it in reverse, okay? So I'm still going to secure both sides together with my plaiting as well as my rubber bands. That's just extra security, okay? Turn to your neighbor and say security, okay. Now, so yes, you can do it. It just, you know, I don't really think it even makes a big difference, but yeah, so you can start from the top as you see right here. But let me tell you something about these crochet braids. I was ignorant on top of ignorant and got 30 inches. Do not get 30 inches, okay? Unless the back of your neck is ready, okay? Because it's heavy. Now, the passion twists themselves are very light. So that lets you know 30 is just too long. It's gonna get, because it's 30 inches. So it's, you know, it's gonna be some weight on it. You know what I'm talking about? And not in a good way. So here's the thing. I did this more so for style purposes. If I was going to do this again, which I probably will, I will probably stick to, let me see. Either I would do a short, cute bob with this and do like somewhere around 12 inches, or I would do maybe 20, 22, something like that if I wanted the length. But 30 is going to be heavy. I'm just letting y'all know. But the passion twists themselves are lightweight, y'all. It just got heavy because it was 30 inches. Okay, so You guys have seen me do this before. If not, make sure you check out my other express crochet videos. You know, that'll be up in the video, so you can click on those and get the details. I just wanted to show you another style because someone asked me, can you use this method for passion twist? And absolutely, y'all, I got hot. Absolutely, you can use, and passion twists are actually great because usually with passion twists, the loops are perfect. They're very flexible. They're, you know, good and big and ignorant. Now, with that piece in the middle, you just crochet it back into itself. Almost like when you're doing crochet braids and you're trying to tuck your ends and you pull the ends up and then crochet it into itself, into that actual cornrow. It's the same exact concept, y'all. And again, if you need more details on that, you know, make sure you just watch the previous videos and you'll actually see me do that. This is more so to show the style. You can use different brands of hair. You can use different types of crochet braids. Right here, as you can see, I got some long, ignorant passion twists. Now, it was cute, honey. It was real cute. But the next time, I'm probably going to do 12 inches because I see a cute little curly bob. I think that's going to be super fly. A little half up, half down bob. I might even do 10 inches. Oh, I'm feeling like 10 inches. Yeah, I'm feeling like 10 inches, y'all. This is very cute, very easy. This is the fastest way to do crochet braids outside of making a crochet wig and just plopping it on. This is it. This is it. Absolutely love this method. I hope this answered your question about if you can use passion twist hair. The answer, my dear, is yes. All right, y'all. Peace, love, light.